do you see on the farm?
I see goat.
Very good. What do you see on the farm?
I see a
Perfect. What do you see on the farm?
I see a rooster.
So, rooster. What do you see on the farm?
I see a cow.
What do you see on the farm?
I see a rabbit.
What do you see on the farm?
I see a dog.
Huh?
I see a dog.
This one? Moo, moo. Is it that? No. What do you see on the farm?
I see a dog.
Cow.
Dog.
Cow. Okay, how about this one?
I see a dog.
Very good.
I see a sheep.
Very good.
I see a pigeon.
Hmm? Chicken. Chicken. Okay, how about this one?
I see a dog.
Oh, cow.
Dog. I see a hart. I see a whale. I see a spider.
Scarecrow. What do you see on the farm?
Farmer.
Farmer, one more time. What do you see on the farm? Scarecrow. What do you see on the farm?
I see a dog.
Cow. Very good. What does horse say? Perfect. What does the kitten say? What does the cow say? Perfect. What does the goat say? Baba. Very good. What does the pig say? Oink, oink. What does the rooster say? Choo-choo-doo-doo. Yeah, very good. What does the dog say? Woof, woof. What does the sheep say? Mama. It's Baba. What do you see? I see zebra. I see a yo-yo. Okay, how about this letter? Y. Perfect. Yeah. Zoo. Perfect. Zebra. Okay, what letter is this? Z. Perfect. Okay, can you please point at least 3 animals? 3 animals. Point. Point. Point and say. Point, give me your hand. Point and say. What is this?